Shapiro, which I live locally 3 kilometers from the lodge, which is the village called Shamwimbo village. So the village now, it has reached an extent of having 67 years. Yes. So I'm gonna make the juice, which is made from the brown ivory tree, which is a fruit which is just found along the Zambezi River. So in the morning, young kids, when we were still kids, even now, young kids, they go up in the bush to pick the ivory, the brown ivory fruit. Then they soak in warm water, just like the way I did. So I'll just get my stir, and I'll keep on stirring. Keep on stirring just for me to get the juice, because the juice is mostly taken from the skin of the fruit. Yes. So keep on stirring. Then from there, I'm gonna put my stir here. Then I'm gonna sieve. Yes, so in the village they use the 4-cornered sievers. So they would do like sing a song like in English they say it is gonna be lady. So they say, I'm done, I'm done, I'm done, young kids, don't worry, it's gonna be lady. You're going to have your fruit, your juice made locally. So this is just the juice. They say in local language, kachika kanzako, kachika kanzako. Yes. So they'll be like kachika kanzako like this. Yes, then just making out the juice. Yeah. Okay. I think I'm done with the juice. Then I'll put them back, because they are no of use after this. Yes. Everything here. Then if you want, you can save it with ice. Like in the morning you can save it directly, but in the afternoon you can save it with ice, or you can chill it. Okay, so have your lovely local juice made from our local fruit, which is brown ivory along the Zambezi River. Please enjoy. Thank you.